I am Kieran Donnelly, Managing Director of Cidon Construction, and we use Tekla software. I'm a qualified engineer. We specialise in reinforced concrete. That aspect of the business I've always been passionate about. I had an introduction to it from a young age, pouring concrete and doing the physical end with my father, which has gone a long way to lead me in the direction that we are today. First and foremost, we're builders. Our logic is quite simple. If we do what we promise to do in terms of engineering ability, we're going to maximise our profits. We're not run by accountants, we're not run by surveyors, we're run by the people who do the work. I predominantly see my role as being the leader and the innovator. I try to set the path that we're heading down and clear the weeds from the path so that the guys can walk through it. And where that relates to now, I see the biggest challenge for Cidon Construction is working smarter. Where we like to differentiate ourselves is that we're focused on customer service. We understand that ultimately there's a client there, and if we promise to deliver a project in X weeks for a certain price, that's exactly what we want to do. But really what nailed it for me was seeing a very similar construction professional that came over from America, and he demonstrated how you can work much smarter using a tool such as Tekla, and how it brings efficiencies through all aspects of the business, from estimating to formwork design to logistics planning. And to be honest, it made the decision pretty easy. Probably fair to say I'm not an IT expert, nor am I familiar with loads of other applications, but we did consider one or two other common 3D software packages. At the end of the day, we're the doers. We wanted a tool that was relatively easy to use and that could be used by as many people in our business as possible. Tekla basically is user-friendly, very simple to get going, and can be adapted to different levels of people throughout the business. That's why we bought into it. Our tendering costs have went down by 50%. They'll go down by another 10%, we reckon, in the next 6 months. Our win ratio on tenders has gone up by a factor of 2.5. We're being more selective, but we're putting in better quality bids. So instead of winning 1 in 10, we're now winning 1 in 4. And the last one is the accuracy of our bids. Rather than me spending a lot of my time checking bids to make sure that we're complete, by the very fact that we're modelling it, it's there to be seen and define the scope, so we're 100% accurate. Undoubtedly it does. It's free, it's easy to download and use, and it allows us to share the information that we're producing in-house with all our important members of the construction process. We're obviously using it quite heavily at pre-construction at the moment. Our next aim is to start to use it in the construction process and deliver the efficiencies in that part of the business.